Good morning, students. Let's continue our page number 38. The topic of the page is Wonders of India. I'm not talking about wonders of world, I'm talking about wonders of India. We know very well that our heritage of historical monument is indeed valuable. It speaks the volume about the ancestral cultural focusing on love and glory. You can certainly be proud of your general knowledge if you correctly name the monument described here. And everybody should be well aware about these wonders because we are living in India. India is our country and these wonders are located in India. So we should be very much familiar about these wonders. Let's talk about the first one. It is known as the Whispering Gallery because the gentlest whisper echoes across its greatest length. This marvelous accusation system was constructed by the Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur. Yes, it is the place Gol Gumbaj. The famous majestic monument of four towers. It has four towers and it is built in 1591 by Muhammad Qali of the Qutub Shahi dynasty. Is floodlit in the evening. This magnificent square archway is supported by the 456-meter high towers built in commemorate the end of the local plague. It is Char Minar. Yes, I hope everybody knows Char Minar is one of the famous monument we have. The third one is given over here. Delhi is the first Muslim monument. Delhi's first Muslim monument include a tower commemorating the victory of Delhi's Hindu ruler in 1192. It is engraved with the words from the Quran. It is engraved with verses from the Quran and standing 240 feet high. It excited the envy of the later ruler who started an even larger tower but died when it reached a height only at 89 feet. This is the largest building in India. It is Qutub Minar. It is Qutub Minar. The fourth one is the monastic university of the flourished from 15th century until 1199 when it was ransacked by the Afghan invader Bhaktikar Khilji, also known as the place that confers the lotus. It is known as the place that confers the lotus. It lies south of Patna. Lord Mahavira, the last Jain Tirathkar and the Lord Buddha rendered their preachings at this place. So, this place is also famous for the preachings of Lord Mahavira and Lord Buddha. Later, it was developed as a center of the Buddhist learning. Yes, it is Nalanda University. The fifth point is, it is known as the White Pagoda. It was built in 12th century. The main building is 65-meter high, surmounted by mystic wheel and flag of Vishnu. Non-Hindus are not permitted to enter this temple. A very important point to be remembered that the non-Hindus, otherwise we are living in a democratic country and everybody has right to having any of the religion, but in this temple non-Hindu people are not permitted to enter. This is the only temple in India. It is Jagannath temple. It is Jagannath temple. The sixth one is rupee 200 crore edifice of the pink sandstone sprawled across 100 acres on the bank of Yamuna stand majestically. It is sprawled on the bank of Yamuna with 230 ornately carved pillars. How many pillars are there? 234 and 9 artistic domes. How many domes are there? It's 9, and these are so artistic, so beautiful, taking away the collective breath of million amazed devotees. It is the place Akshardham. It is located in Delhi. You must visit this place. It's such a beautiful place and you find a lot of positivity here. Chandela dynasty built 85 temples, of which only 22 exist now. Chandela dynasty, they built 85 temples, of which only 22 exist now. These temples are designed to lead one's eyes from ground level to upward to ultimate heaven, Kailash. They are ornately curved and depicting the genius of craftsmen and the king who inspired them. These are the cave temples of Elephanta. These are the cave temples of Elephanta. The site of a magnificent series of rock-cut cave temple with the large sculptured interiors. These were excavated in 7th and 8th century. The centerpiece of is a massive 5-meter three-headed bust of Shiva and representing his manifestation as the creator, the preserver and destroyer. It is one of the finest and magnificent rock cutting temple and in the form of cave you can say, and it is the temple of Khajuraho. It is the temple of Khajuraho. To know more about it is given the world's tallest Buddha stupa 104 feet high has been excavated at Kesaria, a small village in the East Champaran district of Bihar and 120 km from Patna. So this is all about the wonders of India. Let's recall which wonders of India we have learned here. It is Gol Gumbaj, it is Qutub Minar, Char Minar, Nalanda University, Jagannath Temple, Akshardham, Cave Temple and Temple of Khajuraho. Do this page or the topic and learn it so well. Thank you. Have a nice day.